Part 2 of the Maverick build. Bob has got the suspension front and rear on. Pretty clean. Today we're putting the motor and trans in. 302, right? Trip flow heads, decent cam. Nice little motor. It's got a full interior car, but he's just got a few things in it right now. I remember when he used to have his car together, he had some of the Jazz race buckets. I think he's going to go back to the factory style seat. A little more comfort for cruising. All original rust-free solid Maverick. This car is awesome. I love these little cars. So a little change of plans. We're going to put the motor and trans together. Bob's new converter. What kind of converter is that, Bob?
Jigs. They're 800 horsepower. It's supposed to have the balloon thing in there and
Oh, anti-balloon plate and stuff.
yeah.
What's the stall on it?
I think it's 32.
32?
Yeah.
Thought you were gonna say 52, knowing you.
That was the other one.
Gonna put a little fluid in this, stick the two pieces together. We'll be back shortly.
Okay, we roll the car forward. Still sitting there? Your side? I don't know, how's it look like that? Oh, yeah, right. Pretty good shape. Yeah, we're pretty close. I think it's going to sit down on me. Well, if you want, I can pull it up right now before we go in the hole. We're getting pretty close to that.
Bob's a master machinist, and I don't know if you guys can see this. I don't know what's so funny, Bob, but this is nice, man. TIG welded. Is this stainless? Look at that.
I was bored.
Bored at work. This is lunch break stuff he comes up with. Beautiful piece. Let me know what you want me to push down or up.
See how the bolt holder up there? Oh yeah. Okay, good. I'll get towards the aluminum. Oh, the red towards the aluminum? You guys look good as mine. I got 2 in. Lower it.
Alright, so we're back. Motor was in. Now we have the headers installed. Pretty snug fit on these Maverick towers. So the motor's in, motor mounts are on, then we stuck the radiator in. Bob had to modify this lower, clear this cross member, tamper the pipe up, which is still pretty close. You might have to redo it again. We're gonna have to get some hoses and check it out. But yeah, motor's in the car, piecing this thing together. Stay tuned. Another quick little update. We had to move the radiator because the wiring harness went behind it, but you can see we're getting that laid out. Ain't much to these old cars. Goes under the bulkhead. It's getting there. Alright, that's part 2 of this video. A couple hours. Motor and trans is in the Maverick. Stay tuned for part 3. Fire it up, Bob. That third video, we'll fire it up. Stay tuned.